Welcome to the Tourmaster Synergy 2.0 Electrically Heated Apparel Installation Guide. In this video, we'll cover do's and don'ts, connecting the power lead wiring harness to your vehicle, point you to some assets on how to connect the various different combinations of Synergy products, and point you to some warranty information. Let's get started. Let's cover some do's and don'ts. Synergy equipment is designed to connect to your vehicle's 12-volt electrical system using a series of durable steel fiber heating elements and an integrated temperature sensor with a 15-amp fuse. Synergy products use a form-fitting fit without hindering movement when you're on a motorcycle, and it's best to wear thin layers underneath the Synergy garment that offers the best heat transfer to your body. And don't connect Synergy apparel to any other types of power sources. It's important that you don't combine Synergy with other brands of electrically heated apparel or power accessories, and please don't connect your Synergy garments to the Synergy power lead before starting your vehicle. The power surge on startup can damage the garment. Let's examine installing Synergy's power lead. The power lead installs to your vehicle's 12-volt battery, and it's a good idea to have your vehicle's factory owner's manual handy when doing this installation. To avoid safety hazards, electrical malfunctions, or vehicle damage, it is very important the following disconnection and reconnection procedures be followed step by step. And make sure your vehicle is turned off and the key is removed prior to working on its electrical system. The necessary tools, wrenches and/or screwdrivers needed for battery lead removal and reinstallation as indicated by your vehicle's factory owner's manual. The first step in installing Synergy's power lead is to disconnect the battery from its cabling. The first step is to take the negative battery cable and disconnect it from the negative battery terminal. Set this cable, once disconnected, aside carefully and ensure it doesn't touch anything metallic, as it may cause sparking. After that's been done, disconnect the positive battery cable, usually marked with the red cover, from the battery's positive battery terminal. Now it's time to install the Synergy's power lead cable, and to do that you simply reverse the process of disconnecting the battery. Take the positive part of this power lead and combine it with the battery's power cable and reconnect it to the battery's power terminal. Once securely fastened to the battery power terminal, take the other half of the power lead, combine it with the negative power cable to the battery, and connect both to the negative battery terminal. Once the power lead is installed, route the power lead cable so that the Synergy power lead's red electrical connector comes out under the left side of the vehicle's seat, so that this connector aligns with the garment's connection while in use. To ease connection to a Synergy garment, allow a minimum of 2 inches of the power lead cable to extend from under the seat. Once in place, secure the Synergy power lead to the vehicle's frame or other rigid portions of the vehicle with either nylon cable ties or electrical tape. Return any removed vehicle body panels or equipment to their original location per the instruction in your vehicle's manufacturer's supplied owner's manual. It is important that the power lead's wiring be routed away from and avoid any moving parts, any hot engine areas, or tight places that may vibrate or rub while riding. This may cause potential damage to the power lead wiring or the wiring insulation. Once completed, congratulations, you've installed the Synergy's power lead wiring. You can now connect your Synergy apparel to its power source. In connecting apparel to Synergy's power lead, you have several different combinations. With jackets and or vests using a single controller, jackets or vests using a dual controller, combining them with pant and chap liners, gloves, and powered insoles. Please consult the Synergy owner's manual for detailed instructions on connecting these Synergy combinations together. Also, please remember the vehicle's engine must be running in order to operate Synergy electrically heated apparel. And once the engine is running, it is safe to plug in your Synergy apparel into the vehicle. Synergy products have a 3-year limited warranty. This warrants the temperature control, heating elements, and electrical connectors of Synergy apparel from material defects in design and manufacture under normal use. See your Synergy user's manual for complete warranty details. Thanks for taking the time to review this installation guide video. Good luck riding, and please enjoy your Synergy electrically heated apparel.